Hey, how's it going? Good morning, YouTube. I'm actually supposed to be off work today, but just thought I would swing up to work after I got some gas this morning and grab the little med pack that I keep in my back of my truck. It's a nice little bag. I think you can get them on Amazon. I'll try and post a link in the description if I can find them, but I think they're like two for $16 right now. They're they normally have an American flag patch on the front of them, but I ordered one of these little crosses just so if somebody happens to be in my truck and they need something, and they should know that this is a little medical kit. Everything should be in here. It's probably kind of messy. I normally just stuff things in there, so it's probably a little unorganized. So let's see what I got in here. It's winter time, so cold season, always good for a sore throat. Long days at work, always keep some Aleve for the backaches and cramps in the knees and all that good stuff. Advil for the headaches. I also keep a little nail tweezer set. Oh, this is supposed to be in there, but it is not. I guess it fell out. Neosporin I keep in there in case I get cut. I cut all the time when I'm messing with glass, picking up broken bottles, picking up pallets, moving things around, metal, you name it. There's always something that'll cut your fingers. You never know when you might need an emergency lighter. That's always good to have in case you need it. I don't know about you guys, but I am always getting food stuck in my teeth or whatever. So I always keep these little dental floss pickers. So those are good to keep around. Nobody likes stuff in their teeth. Nobody wants it to sit in there and smell bad, do they? I don't. Yep, there we go. Like I said, it's still cold and flu season. Always got to keep some extra medicine for long days. Here's a tourniquet. Hopefully I never have to use this, but everybody says it's always good to have one on hand, and I just listen to everybody, and I just keep one in there. Visine for allergies or if my eyes feel dry. Sorry, I'm making a mess here. What else we got? Okay, this is some rubber gloves, because might get cut. Somebody might need to patch you up. You don't want somebody else's blood all over you. And I think that's all I got in this part. And then over here on the front side, oh, I have a pen, a small Sharpie, a little Dollar Tree portable med kit. I keep these everywhere. I keep them in my car. I keep them in the house. I keep them all over the place with kids and everything else. These are always good to have. What do we got here? Oh, we got some duct tape, all taped down and flat, so it doesn't take up too much space, but always good to have some duct tape. And then we got a gauze pad. It's all wrapped up, so it's nice and sterile in case you need one of them. Some medical scissors. What is this here? Oh, a combat care kit in case you need to write it all down. Never know when you might need one of these in an emergency. Like I said, a lot of this stuff might be overboard, and we got some medical tape. And that's all I keep in the bag. And then I have two other things that always stay with me all the time because I walk all day and I'm a bit clumsy, and I'm always having problems with my ankles or my knees, and I'm always stepping in a pothole or twisting them. So this is one of those little knee braces that goes right under your kneecap. This thing helps out big time at work. And then I also keep Old Faithful. This is a very nice ankle brace. Might not be the best brand, but it's real sturdy, and when I roll my ankle, which I do a lot, this is always great to pop on there and relieve some of the pressure. What do you guys carry in your med packs? I mean, I know everybody's is different, and it varies by the person, but so far, everything I keep in this thing is what I just keep in there. Luckily, I don't have to use it too often. Most of the time, I'm just using the Tylenol, the Advil, and the Band-Aids. I do cut myself a lot, but like I said, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. This is what I carry on me in my tractor trailer, and Let me know what you guys carry, or if there's anything you think I should add. I would like to hear it. I don't really need a whole lot of stuff because most of the time I'm just driving, but when I'm not driving around, I'm just walking around, and like I said, most of the time it's just my knees or ankles that I twist and pull, but this little med kit does the job for me. Hope you guys have a good day.